So folks, when you go to an upholsterer, make sure you go to a reputable upholsterer, somebody that's going to give you an honest opinion. I had this cushion come in today, and the customer said, "Oh, I hate this cushion. It's always losing its shape. I want a new one." Well, it's a back cushion, and it happens to be a down cushion. And there's nothing wrong with this other than it just needs to be adjusted. This customer just doesn't know how to adjust a down cushion. I mean, he was fluffing it up, but nothing seemed to work it up in this area. It was still. So I said, okay, we're not going to give you a new cushion. So in other videos I've shown you, fabric has a tendency to walk, meaning it over time, little fractions of an inch every time you sit down, the cushion moves. So what you could do is reverse that process. What you see is, you see right here how we have it down like this. This is obviously the front of the cushion because that's the back of the cushion. This is the back cushion. So what you do is you lay the cushion down like this and you gently give it some hits this way. So every hit that I do, I'm probably a half of an inch this way. Now already you can see, look at that. And then you take your corners. You don't even have to open this cushion up. And then you work your corners. And then what you do is you take your hand, really give it a good hit. It's a down cushion. So what happens with the down and feather cushion, it's not just a down cushion. There's feather mixed in. The feather's the heavier portion of the two. And that's definitely needed. 100% down cushion is too soft, so you need something in it, and the feather's the perfect thing to have in it. The down comes from this part of the goose, which is the soft portion. The feather's a little harder, they've got a little stem, and what happens though over time, initially they're great, it's great, and you can knock it back like I just did. But over time, if you're not maintaining the cushion, it clumps together, and that's why you have a cushion that looks a little sloppy. So what you do is you just hammer away, you know, and what happens is that you've got a brand new cushion. Look at that. So that's the tip. What, a 5 or 10 minute job for you, and it saves you hundreds of dollars, because that's how much a down cushion like this would cost, well over $200. So hopefully we'll have a lot more of these quick tips. We'll see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe.